Have you heard of the pool chemical that turns the water blue when someone pees in it? It's meant to prevent swimmers from peeing in the pool. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't exist. That is, until now. Let me back up. The whole water turning blue when you pee rumor got started as a scare tactic way back in the 50s. And even though this chemical doesn't actually exist, and it would be nearly impossible to actually develop, the rumor alone is enough to deter most people from whizzing in the water. Now, while the chemical isn't real, this bottle is real, and it works at stopping pee before it happens. This is Swim University's pool urine detector. You show this bottle to anybody peeing in your pool, and it should be enough to deter them from peeing in the first place. And I know what you're thinking. Yes, we made an empty bottle with a convincing label. There's no liquid inside. It's just a prop to scare lazy swimmers. But if you want some extra scare, you can fill the bottle with tap water, pour the bottle of clean water in front of the swimmers, and keep the bottle around so that everyone in your pool can see it. They don't know the chemical doesn't exist, but you do. Is pee in your pool a big enough deal to buy an empty bottle of urine detector? Turns out when there's urine in the water, it reacts to chlorine. And when chlorine reacts to pee, it causes that nasty chlorine smell in your water that can even irritate your eyes and your skin. It's pretty gross. So, how do you get your own bottle of urine detector? Well, you can buy it directly from our online store. We actually make these bottles ourselves and we ship them free to your door. And here's the best part. This is the only pool chemical you'll ever buy that comes with free refills. So, what do you have to lose? Except, maybe all that nasty pee in your pool. Grab your bottle of pool urine detector while it's still available and enjoy a season of pee-free swimming.